welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy, and today we're going to look at a sprayer boom that needs to be fixed. A lot of sprayers around here, they do custom work, and when the weather is bad, that's when it's time to work on it. So one more thing I wanted to say, my subscribers that I have, thank you. I've noticed though that 95% of my viewers are non-subscribed, and it's free if you subscribe. All you need is a Gmail account. If you do subscribe, please give me the thumbs up, and there's going to be more videos on welding and maybe touch base of some of the history of it. And let's go help this farmer out. It's raining, it's been raining, and it's a good time to go work on it. Sprayer boom repair. Okay, this bracket came across to the outside. This is for the foamer. So it broke off right here, and this member right here works like this. There's another one up here though, and then another bracket right here. So I'm going to put some solid stock right here, and it slides. Wait a minute, excuse me. Put some solid stock right here, and then the bracket will slide over that. Same way with this. Put a piece of solid stock in here, and I'll slide it over that, and then I'll weld around the outside of it. This is the bracket right here of the foamer. And while I'm welding it, I've got this, what I'm going to call this a strong back. That's what we always call it. Welding on pipe, welding on structure, or a striker. It's holding this, because when I make that weld, it's going to dog leg right there, bow it in. And you can see the weld. It's not a bad weld. I mean, it sounds funny when you're welding. It's the way you're supposed to be welding when you TIG weld. But because it's windy outside, I'm stick welding. It's going to lay a nice bead, and it don't penetrate real deep and add too much heat to it to make a crack at the toe, the outer edge here. Keep welding these all up and keep using this strong back as I go. To replace it, I don't have any 5/8 square bar, so I got this piece of 5/8 plate, and I want to cut it into a square, and then that's what I'm going to insert inside the tubing. Okay, the piece has got the slug in here, got a 1/4 inch piece of solid stock in there, got one in right here. I'm going to slide, as you can see, everything has been straightened out. It slid up in there. It's still, the settings on the welding machine is still on straight polarity. It's welding fine. It's penetrating good. And finish welding this out and put some paint on it. It'll be good to go. Being outdoors, this is the quickest fix with a stick rod. It's windy outside. It's straight. Good to go. This video may be a little bit short, but it's to the point. If anybody ever has a problem with it, a sprayer boom, this is a real quick fix. If you have a MIG welder, it works best, but this, what I'm going to do is out in the field, and it's windy outside, and I set the polarity at straight, and it welds fine, but I wouldn't be welding big steel with it. It's just thin tubing.